can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna give me what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you are that I see. And I am who I am. And I be what I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time. It's Monday again. Looking for my damn notebook. Going to Midway. Damn. I know they ain't got me bobtailing. Right now they got me bobtailing from Midway, Tennessee to get to a stop in Kentucky. Bowling Green, Kentucky. I done been in Bowling Green. So anyway, honey, I ain't even go telling this shit. I hate going to go find the fucking empty, so whatever. Don't mind the mess on my shirt. Like, I just wasted my fucking coffee. I don't know what the fuck. Put all my shit back in my truck. What the fuck am I finna do? Where's my fucking notebook at? Hey, damn. Y'all know I like to write my shit down, honey. I ain't got time. Y'all know I like to write down my work assignment number, so they can't say, oh, well, you didn't do such and such. Yes, the fuck I did. I cannot believe they did not give me a empty to go pick up. That's funny. And I'm not gonna call and tell them. At least I can go pick it up and then we can find us somewhere to stop, because we ain't going to Tennessee. That's like right up the road. Now it feels like it's right up the road. I'm gonna put it in my new GPS. All right, what we're gonna do is points of interest cannot accommodate truck. Address is 16. It says it's an hour and 40.
Please drive to highlighted route.
It says it's an hour and 44 minutes. So let me show y'all what it look like. I think I'm gonna like that. Now I can like actually have my phone dedicated to my music and not my motherfucking Trucker Path app. Look at Snyder going down the road. Okay. God damn it, what the fuck? Okay. That smile on your face. That smile on your face. That smile on your face. So I have 2 hours until I can get my load and pick it up or whatever. Be like 5 o'clock. With traffic, it's gonna take me until 5 o'clock to get back to an area where I can stop at a Pilot or a TA or a Love's, whatever, and find somewhere for me to park. So I just went ahead and stopped or whatever for the night, and I get up usually my same time and go pick the load up. So I found me a little nook and cranny over here to park in, and I'm gonna just stay parked right here. It's a trash can right here. I'm gonna just stay parked right here where I'm at, so that way the big trucks got their parking spaces, and they won't be cussing me out because I'm a bobtail in a fucking big ass parking spot for a trailer. So, and I hate that. That is so fucking annoying. That's why I be doing this shit. I hate when you looking for a parking space. It is a fucking bobtail, either all the way in the back of the goddamn space, or they by themselves. Like, bro, get your ass out the way. It's the next day. So we checked everything out. Everything is good. I got my lock, I got my paper, got my seal. So we're about to head to the gate, and we're about to be on the fucking road to our destination, which is Kentucky. And hopefully we can pick up our next load today, but I'm supposed to be getting live unloaded. So yeah.
You tell who's something about that fitness that's so fucking well. I'm trying to hit a hotel with 2 girls that's wallow. Hey, they did what I swallow. Hey, Moscato got a freaky. Hey, you got me in the trance. Please take off your pants. You can pop on the ass. Now you got me sweating. Please pass me a fan. Damn. Girl, the way you move it got me in a trance. DJ turn it up. Ladies, get so damn. I'm a superstar. You don't want my ass. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no ass.
Okay, so I got my load. So I am going to let it down some before I hook up to it, so I won't be high hooked. Pre-trip it, make sure it's good, and then we'll pull off. It's definitely too fucking high, so. Shit. It's up under there. Made a damn sticky note fall off this motherfucker. Apparently, companies change their names and shit and don't tell the actual trucking fucking place. So you're looking for fucking FedEx, but it's called Larco. Damn. So now I gotta slide my damn tandems back. I can find me somewhere to stop for tonight. Got my load for tomorrow. That's an 8-hour run. And I'm gonna try to bust that shit wide the fuck open. They're giving away free diesel at the Loves, since everybody and their daddy want to be at the damn Loves. I wanted to stop at the Loves to get some fruit. It ain't even worth all of that.
I should have recorded how that damn Loves was packed. 5 a.m. to 5:30. And 4 o'clock, I mean on the dot. You might can say 3:30, but I'm gonna say 4 o'clock to 6 p.m. Everybody and their mama trying to park, get fuel, breakfast, dinner, take a shower. Yeah, so they in the fucking way. That's why I like to get started at 2-3 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow I can get started at 3 a.m. if I want to, which is good. And like I said, I got an 8-hour trip, so I don't know how this is going to work or if I'm going to be able to make that. But 8 hours, I should be able to drive 8 hours. But my thing is, damn, after I done drove 8 hours, I be tired. I don't be wanting to park this fucking truck.
I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes that deal me. Drop the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me. I saw my nigga that chill with me. Them niggas that postin' that back don't say nothing. Them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count on my sleep on fleek. And I can't spit on that patty for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she Cristiano. I used to break in the inner. They think I'm running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled.
Why would you do that? We spent 45 minutes building that shit, dude.
Double my cup or triple. Box on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that back on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Back of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean, etc. I think I'm blending on Nebula. I think that's when the M's on my schedule.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the stash.
Oh, you got me messed up, Mr. Man.
I never thought that I would make it to a point where me getting up at 2:55 was me oversleeping. So my trailer lights ended up going completely out, even though it was a brand new spanking trailer. And that's okay, because we have roadside assistance for a reason. Apparently my tractor electrical line was faulty. They had to come out and replace it. And it took about 4 hours of my day. So of course I missed my drop for my live unload. And so good news though, I got another truck out of this because they knew it was old. So yeah. So I'm probably gonna end this vlog. It's only Wednesday and I'm tired, and I know that the rest of this week is gonna drag now because that one load that makes you late, for me personally, it just seemed like it just messed everything up. I can honestly say, damn, it wasn't even my fault this time. I did my pre-trip like I was supposed to do. I hit a bump, and then all of a sudden my damn lights on my trailer, all the lights went off. That's why they always say check your mirrors, I guess. And I'm glad I got into that habit, because when I look back there, as soon as I hit that bump, something told me, check them fucking mirrors. So I just put on, luckily wasn't nobody behind me at the time, I put on a turn signal just to see if I could see the light. The turn signal came on, but I didn't have no brake lights. I had no turn signal lights on the side of my trailer. None of my flashers were working. My four-way flashers was not working. So if they weren't working, I know the lights, my clearance lights at the top of my trailer on both sides were not working. You can't really see up there like that when you're driving. But I pulled over at the pilot, the nearest pilot, fueled up, pulled up to the 15-minute line, and I started playing with my electrical line. The more I played with it, the lights came on. If I laid it a certain way, they wouldn't come on. So I put a piece of paper in there. It stayed on for a few minutes. I hit another bump, pulled over again. put a thicker piece of paper in there inside like the electrical box that's on the trailer, and where the connector from your tractor connects to the box. I put that piece of paper in there. It held for a little minute, hit another bump, and it did not work. So they had to come out, send somebody out anyway. They had to send somebody out there to come and replace my whole electrical line on the side of the road. And he did a good job because he was very quick and very efficient. So I got a new electrical line on this truck, but deuces, baby, because I'm tired of your ass. This is the most raggediest truck I've ever been in since I started driving. And the school that I went to had some raggedy ass trucks. So hell, now that's sad. Now go ahead and end it here. And I will talk to y'all on the next one. It's probably gonna be a to be continued or something, girl. I don't know, but I know once I get done changing everything from one truck to the other, I'm gonna be no good. I don't really want to record the rest of this week. I try to give y'all a full week of a vlog so y'all can know like the day in the life, if you new or thinking about doing this, so you'll know like the day in the life of a typical regional driver for this specific company or whatever. But girl, boy, whoever watching this, I'm tired already. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later.